Hi, this is the TCL 40AC and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to connections section. Here click to NFC option, NFC section and to activate NFC. Just you should click on this switcher to activate or turn off this option. You could also switch the contactless payments method when the NFC option is activated. Just also get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here somewhere NFC option. Just tap on it to activate NFC or turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.